Our Hiligaynon word for the day is bahog. Bahog. Bahog is mixed food or provender. Wash, swill, or to eat or give to eat mixed foods, or to mix with rice with sauce and vegetables and the like. It can also mean to feed dogs or give pigs their swill or others. Bahog. Bahog. Bahogi siya sing isda, ulutanon, kag sabaw. Bahogi siya sing isda, ulutanon, kag sabaw. That means give him a mixture of fish, vegetables, and soup. Bahogi siya sing isda, ulutanon, kag sabaw. Binahugan mo na ang baboy. Binahugan mo na ang baboy. Have you given the pig its will? Binahugan mo na ang baboy. Ibahog ining upa sa baboy. Ibahog ining upa sa baboy. That means put this rice chaff into the pig's wash. Ibahog ining upa sa baboy. Bahugi ang ido. Bahugi ang ido. That means give the dog its food or feed the dog. Bahugi ang ido. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, bahog. Bahog. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.